Lot of you guys asked for it, and now we will trade gold futures on 1 minute time frame using LuxAlgo Premium toolkit. First, what we need to do is let's go to indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo, and you will see two indicators, signals and overlays, and the price action concepts. Click both of them to add to your chart. We will be using those indicators to find us best scalping opportunities ever. So let's go to settings for the signals and overlays. This part is highly important. Enable your ML signal classifier, which means a machine learning or AI, whatever you want to call it. And the signal sensitivity is, I found the best value between 15 and 17. Let's start with 17. So let's type here 17. So we're gonna be using not smart trail, but we will be using trend catcher and trend tracer. So we will go down and check if we forget anything. No, so everything is very simple and clear. Just hit the OK button. After you set it up everything perfectly on your chart, you should see a candle colored with three colors: the purple, the red, and the green. And the meanings are very simple. Purple means that it's ranging, green means that bullish, and the red means that bearish. And you should also get the buy and sell signals. When it is red, it's a sell. When it is green, it's a buy signal. And we will be getting 1, 2, 3, 4 classified signals, and I'm putting on the chart which one is the highest accuracy. So now what we're gonna do is we will head over to settings for the price action concepts. This is one of my favorite indicator in the whole toolkit. So we will enable trend lines because we're gonna use that. And the second what we need is the fair value gap. This is one of our favorite concepts here. And we will enable daily, Monday, weekly, highs and lows, multi-time frame, and basically that's everything you need to do. You need to enable also the volumetric order block. We're gonna use this for target and putting our stop loss. If you've done everything, just hit the OK button. Our time frame will be 1 minute, and we're gonna trade gold futures as you guys loved it. We are looking over the chart now, and we have our trend lines here, we have our markings here, the previous day high. PDH means a previous day high. If you see PDL, which means a previous day low. Easy like that. So before we lose any time, let's roll the market. We are just basically waiting for the next signal, and boom, we got a 2 classified sell signal with the change of character and with the bearish fair value gap. This is a very nice combination. Why? Because the change of character itself is a kind of a signal for me. A bearish fair value gap also some form of a signal for me. And also we got a 2 classified. And the final one is we see a red candle. All of this is giving you a high confidence to initiate a short position with the next candle, which is this one, because you need to always wait for candle closure before you initiate any position. So to take a partial and everything, let's go for 5 contracts here. This is for the demonstration purposes, and we're gonna target the whole gap here. This will be our final target, and I want to put my stop loss just above this fair value gap or that fair value gap. You can use both of them. Just choose whichever you want. For the demonstration purposes, let's use this one. And now we're gonna write this trade, and we're gonna be taking some partials on the way. So now we are sitting on the 850 bucks on the 5 contracts. Now, since we have reached the halfway of this bullish fair value gap, and there is a chance that we can see a bounce back, what I want to do is simply just take a partial here with the 3 contracts off, and we have already secured a $500. I just want to put my stop loss just above the middle way of this bearish fair value gap, and I want to write my rest of the 2 contracts until my full TP. So let's roll the market to see what will happen. The price is showing a high resistance here. I just want to be sure that I'm getting filled. So we're rolling, and boom. Easy like that. We just smashed the target and we made $1,500 just like this. As you guys know that I don't like cherry picking and all that stuff, so that's the reason I will roll the market to see the next signal and you will be understanding better. You can see that the market is crashing, and another thing is you can also target these lows over here. This will be a very easy target. If you just put your TP here, there's a high chance that you will get the full TP. So we are basically waiting for the next signal. We can see that we have a volumetric order block here, and I just want to see one more signal. And don't forget guys, this signals and overlays toolkit is also able to give you automatic take profit. How? Very easy. When you see the X icon here, it means that you can close your position or you can just take a partial. We got the first change of character here with the bullish sign, and which is a strong chance that we will have a reversal, and boom, we got the two classified buy signal here. Again, I like that, and the candle is purple, and that's the reason we will wait for the next candle always. And we got a break of structure after the change of character, and we can see that we just break this downtrend, and we can clearly see that this trend line has broken with the two bullish fair value gap. This is just breathtaking position. So let's roll the bar here, and I want to initiate my buy contract with the bar close. We will wait one candle here, and now we are gonna initiate a 5 contract again, and this time we will target this recent highs over here, or you can say a swing high, and I want to take a partial on the way. And now I will use price action concepts to take my partials. And how is it? Very simple. The first partial will be coming at this volumetric order block, and the second will be this volumetric order block, and the final TP will be here. Why I don't use that is you can see that it's just a 7%, which is very low, and that's the reason we will switch to that. So let's roll the market to see if we get stopped out or we get the full TP. Let's put the stop loss just under this volumetric order block. You can see that how I'm using these crazy tools, and the full TP will be giving us $8,500. So let's see what will happen. I'm rolling the market. I'm just waiting for my partial here, and boom. So we're gonna take a 2 contracts off here. Just hit the sell button, and we have already secured $1,600, which is crazy. And don't forget, always move your stop loss, and I'm trailing my stop loss just under this bullish fair value gap. If I see a comeback, I will be a profit in any ways, like a $1,000. So who cares what happened here? So let's roll the market. I want to take partial after this volumetric order block got smashed, and boom. So we will be taking one more contract off here. Now we are sitting on $3,100, and if we can reach this full TP, we will get $3,400. And now most important thing here again, move your stop loss to this recent resistance here. You can see a clear resistance here to go up, and I want to put my stop loss just under this bullish fair value gap. Easy, right? So let's roll the market to see what will happen. If we can get the full TP, the price just smash the target, and we made $6,500 just from this trade. And the risk reward is, I just want to show you here, we initiated the buy contract here. We put our stop loss just under this volumetric order block, and we targeted the recent high 3.5. Crazy and very easy. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am putting a discount link down below, so if you just click it, you can get up to 50% from your LuxAlgo subscription. And until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you've had a nice in reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood. No